Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Ocean Wave cocktail. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of egg white. Ooh, go a little bit more than that. Oopsies. 0.5 ounces of simple syrup. This is a pain in the butt. 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. My favorite all-time nemesis. We're going to use 0.5 ounces of coconut cream.
That wasn't that bad.
That actually wasn't that bad. Boop. Get out of there.
There you go.
I win. 0.25 ounces of Blue Curacao. And then 1.5 ounces of a London dry gin. Of course, first we're going to emulsify that egg white. So we are going to do a mime shake first, carefully. Eee. All right. And then we're going to add ice to the smaller shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for another 10 to 15 seconds, depending on how you shake, just to chill down the cocktail and dilute. This is not my dominant hand. This is the only other way I'd be able to shake. All right, we're going to double strain into our sour glass.
Neat color.
Very pretty. And then, if I can get it. Then for our garnish, we're going to add a dehydrated lemon wheel to it. So pretty.
Foam.
It is foaming. Ooh, there we go. All right. And there is our Ocean Wave cocktail. All right. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it as well. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on to the next. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we fall today. Interesting. I was expecting it to be a little bit drier just because we use that London dry gin. It is a bit sweeter than quite a bit sweeter than I was expecting. Good flavor, not a big, bold, punchy flavor by any means. I mean, we didn't put anything in that was going to have a big, punchy flavor. You taste a bit of the coconut, but it's more sweet than anything. You get the lemon juice as well. So for me, I believe it or not, I know this is going to blow everybody's mind, but this is actually a little too sweet for me. So I would say maybe dial back the simple just ever so slightly on this guy. And I think it'd be a really, really solid cocktail. So because of that, for me, I'm going to give this one a 3 out of 5. Good flavor. I wish there was a little bit more to it, maybe adding another liqueur in there. But solid cocktail. It's delicious. It's easy to drink. But I want to know what you guys think. So the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail at home. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you made the cocktail and what tweaks you might make to change up this cocktail and make it a 5 out of 5. I can't wait to see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.